In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the Minion Rush old versions. As you can see right here, this is the current up-to-date one. Let's just say you want to play older models like from 2014 or 2020 or just any year in between. What you actually have to want to do is you just want to actually type this in your browser, Minion Rush Despicable Me old versions, all versions, and if you just paste this or copy it in your browser, you can actually see, if we search this, there's quite a few options, but we just want to click on this top one, Android APKs. But currently this only works, like if you see right here, you can click on any of these versions and actually see the date that they were released by seeing it right there, 2021 and so on. Every single update, it actually had an update, and you can actually just click on it. Like, let's just say we want to get this one from 2020. You click on it, you avoid the ad, and you just want to click on the APK option right here. And when you actually get this, it does only work on Androids. I'm on an iPhone, so I cannot get this. It'll give you an error if you try to download it on iPhone, but currently this works on Android, and hopefully they fix it to the iPhone.